Afternoon, ma'am. I am Farian A. Alleluia from 3CRE2-2 and I will present the micro-etching bullet and trajectory. The first topic will be micro-etching and how serial numbers are placed. Micro-etching is a process for revealing the large-scale structure of a metallic specimen that is the structure visible with the unaided eye by etching an appropriately prepared surface. Micro-etching is the examination of a serial number of engine and chassis of a motor vehicle by a crime laboratory technician by means of applying chemical solution on the said serial numbers. It is to determine whether there is tampering or possible restoration of the tampered serial numbers. How serial numbers are placed. A serial number is a number assigned to each individual product in order to distinguish that product from all others. It is used for warranty control and sometimes for version control. It is allowing the tracking of each allowances, trading, history, and an inventory for all accounts available. Next topic will be how serial numbers can be tampered and restored. Tampering of serial numbers to prevent the police from tracing the person behind a crime. The main reason of a person tampering a serial number of a gun is to prevent the police from tracing the gun to previous location or people, and the real purpose is to keep the person untraceable. In restoring the serial numbers, there are 3 steps to be followed. Step 1 will be polish the surface by using sandpaper or progressively finer grits to remove chips of metal from the surface. Step 2, apply chemical reagents, typically acids, to etch the metal until the numbers is restored. Step 3 will document the recovered serial number. Restoring a serial number can provide law enforcement agencies with information about a firearm or other item that may lead into an investigation. The next topic will be the entrance and exit points of the bullet. Entrance points typically have very even margins. Almost all non-contact bullet entrance holes will be smaller in diameter. The entrance point is normally smaller and quite symmetrical. Entrance woods are often ringed with the residue of gunpowder and coordinate the substance contained with a bullet, while the exit points of bullet caused by fragmented or expanded bullets usually have irregular margins, and it's not too uncommon for the bullet exit holes to be larger in diameter. Exit points are usually larger than the entrance point because it has irregular margins. Last topic will be bullet trajectory and origin of bullets. Bullet trajectory is where your bullets takes it towards the target. Bullet trajectory is referred to as the bullet path. A projectile leaving a muzzle at a given elevation angle follows a ballistic trajectory whose characteristics are dependent upon various factors such as muzzle, velocity, gravity, and aerodynamic drag. A bullet is a projectile and a component of firearm ammunition that is expelled from a gun barrel. The origin of bullets or the bullets or cartridge consist of 3 sectors. The first will be the primer. It is located at the back of the cartridge, and it is the chemical or device responsible for initiating the propellant combustion. The next sections will be propellant. It is the main engine of bullet because it is the chemical explosive. Then the third will be the front part of the cartridge. It is the actual bullet because it is a tapering metal cylinder that will hit the target. And that's the end of this presentation. And the lesson objectives of this topic will be explaining the micro-etching and discuss the bullet trajectory, which already given at the presentation. Thank you for listening.